Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today, the 4th of November 2022, inaugurated the centenary celebrations of Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital at a function that was held at the hospital premises in the presence of Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. Conrad K. Sangma, in his address congratulating the hospital on achieving the milestone, said that the occasion is also time to acknowledge and thank the service of Dr. H. Gordon Roberts, who arrived in Shillong in 1913 and started with a small dispensary in Mission Compound, Shillong. He informed that the health sector is one of the most important priorities of the government, recalling the past devastation of COVID-19. He further urged the hospital to carry forth its mission with the principles of Dr. H. Gordon Roberts, serving the people with love, compassion, commitment and passion. Soon after, the Chief Minister hoisted the centenary flag, highlighting the celebration with zeal.